These are boundary wing slats. These are identified by this extra material here on the edge. It covers out about 15% more privacy, about 90% privacy with these. And having this little extra fabric on the sides gives you a little tougher install. Because these slats are a little tougher to install, I spray some soap on them and it lubricates it. It goes in much easier, it saves a lot of time, a lot of frustration. Also, on this slat, there's a tap in the bottom. The rounded edge is pushed down to the bottom, the flat edge at the top. And there you have it.